I am going to be a first-time mom in just a couple months, and one of the things that seemed really overwhelming that I obviously have no idea what to get was postpartum essentials. I came across this kit. It is the Glam Mommy Postpartum Recovery Essentials Kit. They actually were super kind and sent this to me, and I feel like it would be a great gift idea. Great idea if you just don't know where to start. It has some really great things in here. It includes, I'll pull them out in a second, but a Peri bottle, cooling spray, a pack of 4 disposable underwear, 8 pads, and 16 disposable sleeves, hot and cold packs, and cooling pad liners. So I love that it's just all in one. You're not having to get a bunch of little things, and it's just packed up in this little box. So I'll pull out some of the things that I just talked about. The hot and cold pack, especially for first-time moms, there's so much out there that you don't know. So this is great to just check something off your list. Also, I feel like a lot of times the mother is overlooked for baby registry items, so this would be great for your registry. But I've heard disposable underwear are a game changer after you give birth. Cooling pad liners, the cooling spray I also heard was really important, and that's it. So love that it all comes together. I'm going to put it up in a little cart and keep it in my bathroom for just easy access, but I think this is just a genius essentials kit.